of grass right over here. Guy's looking to get it cut with the flail mower. That's here. It's a big area. 4 acres. Gonna do a quick little walk, check it out. So yeah, looks like it's old blacktop. And nothing back here in this part of it. Yeah, I mean, all in all, it doesn't look too bad. I think I'll give this guy a quote. I definitely can handle this. Yeah, my machine can definitely handle this. Cut all this up like nothing. And this will be a great showcase too. Hey you two, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. You guys acting up? What do you think? Should we take this job, guys? What do you think? I think we should. I think we should. All right.